everyone, and welcome to Simply Made Homestead. I'm Marian, and today, instead of telling you what we're all about, I want to show you. Come with me. Now, we're a retired couple that decided that living in the RV and traveling the U.S. was a lot of fun, but not something we wanted to do for the rest of our life. So we purchased this 1.2 acres of land with this 1,400 square foot little house on it, and decided to create our own little homestead. Come with me, and I want to show you what we've done in the last year and a half that we've been here, and the potential that you have on your property and the things that you can do. Right here are our hoop houses that right now is storing a little extra little mean rooster, but we built these. They're inexpensive, they're easy to move, and we raised 50 Cornish cross chickens in, and we moved them all over our property, so they got fresh grass every single day, and which created a really good product for our freezer. We have our little silkies. These are our pets. These are pets for the grandkids. This is a temporary little pen here. They come out during the day and they go in their little housing in the little puppy pen in the house at night. But they'll be moving outside really soon. You'll see our big hen house. Now, this didn't start out this large. We started out with a house and one run, and then we expanded over here. We do breed chickens, the lavender self-blue Americanas and the black copper Marans, and then we have some mixed breeds for olive eggers and things like that. Right here, we're building this. We're covering the top because we're going to convert this one end down here. This back section, we're going to leave this front part right here. These guys are going to move over to the breeding pens. This section here is where the silkies are going to go. More chickens are going to go down there with a couple of roosters. That will be our egg layers. The lavenders are our breeders. And then down here, we're going to bring in 2 Nigerian goats very soon. We're going to open up this end. We're going to turn this part down here into a playground for the goats. And the hoop houses will go down here to the other end of the property, or the other end of the hen house. Now you can see, still, we have this big, huge open space in the middle. We have our little fire pit over there, our pergola over there for hanging out, having meals. We have fruit trees here in front of the hen house. We have an orange, a lime, a lemon. Over in front of on the end of the shop down there, you can't see it with the shade, but you'll maybe be able to see the little baskets that's running parallel with the shop. Those are all elderberry bushes. We have a kumquat tree, a mango that I don't know if it's going to come back. We had some pretty cold snaps this winter. And then in here in the shop, we have quail. We have about 50 quail. And then here's a new little quail pen that I'm in the process of building right now, so we can move some others over and pair them up for breeding. And there's a video on how to build that quail cage. And down here, you'll see we started with our small garden. Okay. At this end, we had a small garden. We started out with just the raised bed for a while, and it was filled with okra, and then we had tomatoes, and I can't even remember what all. And now this year we had things over here. We've been on this property for a year and a half. And then over here in this bed here, we had all kind of stuff last year, but today we've got potatoes growing. Down the middle, I just planted beans in that little line where they don't see anything. We've got tomatoes and peppers and basil. Down here on the end of this piece, the entire patch is full of asparagus that we purchased from Norse Farms. N-O-R-S-E, I'll put a link below. Our potatoes we got from Haas Tools. Here's our garlic, carrots. Look at that kale. Is that kale not gorgeous? more carrots. I can't wait to show you how an easy way to grow carrots, how to germinate them. I learned, and look at this. Do you see this? It took me 3 tries, 3 different techniques, and the third one was the charm. I can't wait to show you just how to do it. It's beautiful. Over here, we've got corn. We have little bare spots. I planted more yesterday. In the little bare spots, try to get it going. It's first time growing corn. Got cucumbers, horseradish down there on the end, the little fluffy ones there. We have 2 lines of grapevines that we've put up. These are the muscadine. The back row we put up last year. We planted and built last year. We have 4, 2 red, 2 white. Carlos is the white, and Delicious is the purple or the red. We got those from Baker Creek. And then this year we ordered more grapevines and put in another row. Here we've got peanuts. A video will be coming up on how to plant the peanuts. Got the bed prepped, running the line, the soaker hose for the peanuts. And then down on the very end down there along the fence, we have 7, 8 blackberry bushes that we've planted. We have a fig tree there. We're still waiting to come back. Like I said, for Florida, we had a hard freeze this year. Over here, you'll see over there, we've got our compost pile. We still have more property back here, which if we had created this property, I would have moved the shops and things back more and had more property. But anyway, it is what it is. Who knows? Pigs may go back there one day. And right here are breeding pens. The first pen, we have Americanas. Those are our mix there. Just an assortment, and then black copper Marans on the right. Next shed down, we have our garden shed, and then that ginormous shop that thankfully I can house the quail in. They have cover from the weather, and it works out great. So now you see, on just 1 acre of land, 1.2, which we have an easement, so I'm kind of wondering if that's the 0.2, but regardless, you can get a lot of stuff on an acre of land. Thank you everyone for being here with me today and for taking a little walk around our homestead. If videos like this are of interest to you or of help to you, please subscribe to our channel and ring that bell for notification so you'll know when new videos come up. Until next time, take care, happy homesteading, God bless.